In a defiant tweet, during Russia's celebration of its National Flag Day on Monday, the main intelligence directorate of Ukraine's defense ministry warned that Russia's attacks against Ukraine, which have allegedly included war crimes, will be repaid 100-fold. They added, Ukraine will always remember when Russian troops arrived at Ukrainian cities like Bucha and Hostomel under the Russian flag. The thread also noted Russian bloody gifts to Vinnytsia, Kharkiv, Mariupol, Mykolaiv and other cities. Congratulations on the holiday of your colored rag, the symbol of the country of murderers, the service wrote. We wish you to join more than 40,000 glorious Russian heroes who are already helping to fertilize Ukrainian black soil as soon as possible. We are already coming to you to repay your kindness and generosity 100-fold. Some of the Ukrainian cities that the military intelligence service mentioned have seen some of the ugliest alleged Russian war crimes and atrocities of the war. In Bucha, which was occupied by Russian troops for several weeks in the earlier stage of the war, municipal authorities have reportedly found 458 bodies, according to the Associated Press. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky condemned the concentrated evil of the Russian military in the wake of its alleged actions in Bucha, but the Kremlin has denied any connection between its troops and the killings. In Mariupol, which Russia claimed full control of in May, Ukrainian Mayor Vadim Boychenko accused the Russian military of carrying out a genocide against its inhabitants. Overall, thousands of Ukrainian civilians are believed to have been killed since the start of the war. It was not immediately clear what the repayment that Ukraine's intelligence service hinted at would entail. As the directorate's tweet mentioned, Ukraine has estimated that more than 40,000 of Russia's troops have been killed since the start of the war on February 24. This has not been confirmed by Russia, which gave its last estimate in March that 1,351 of its troops had been killed.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.